Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your Saved Eyes stand business. Suppose as the owner of Saved Eyes stand business, I use WhatsApp chatbot to share daily flavors, take pre-orders and send special offers. We can automate this process with the help of Pabbly Chatflow WhatsApp chatbot. When users send a message, the chatbot automatically replies. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, let me take you to the screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your Saved Eyes stand business. First of all, let me show you the chatbot that we will create with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So this is our chatbot and we will also see how it responds. Simply, we will open our WhatsApp dashboard and type, "Can you show me today's flavors?" After typing, you will see I am getting the response. "Hey there, welcome to Pabbly. Craving some Saved Eyes? We have got cool flavors for hot days. Would you like to? Today's flavors, place orders." Now simply click on today's flavors. After clicking, you will see I am getting another response. "Here are today's flavors: strawberry, mango." Now simply click on order now button. After clicking, you will see I am getting another response. "Awesome. What's your name?" Now I am typing my name, test user. After typing my name, you will see I'm getting another response. "Hi test user, what flavor would you like to pre-order?" You can type the flavor name. Now I am typing mango. After typing, you will see I'm getting another response. "How many cup of flavor would you like?" Now I am entering 2. After entering 2, we are getting another message. "When would you like to pick it up? Please mention date and time." Now I am entering date 25 May 2025 and time 10 a.m. After typing date and time, we are getting another message. Order summary: name test user, flavor mango, quantity 2, date and time. Your order is confirmed. So you will see we are getting the responses. Now go back to our chat flow section. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot, then follow along on my screen. First of all, we will open our browser and simply type www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Now we have an interface like this. If you have already logged in before, then we will sign in, otherwise we will sign up. Since I have already logged in before, so I will sign in. After sign in, we have an interface of 7 Pabbly applications. Now simply click on Pabbly Chatflow Access Now button. After that, we will see an interface like this. Now you can create your business account. If you want to know how to create a business account in Pabbly Chatflow with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, you can easily do so by watching the video provided in the link description. Now if you want to know how you can add WhatsApp number, simply click on Add WhatsApp number. Now we have two options: WhatsApp Connect Preferred, Manual Token Connect. With the help of WhatsApp Connect Preferred, we can automatically update our access token. Now we have an option Manual Token Connect. Simply click on it and fill the details over here like Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp business account ID, and select the folder and simply click on next. After clicking next, you have successfully added your WhatsApp number like this and simply click on accessing button. Now you can see the navigation on the left side inbox section. In this section we check the WhatsApp responses. Now we have contact field. In this field we add contacts and create contact list like this. Now we have team queue. Team queue is used to show the list of chart assigned to the team member. Now we have template section. In this section we create our template. Just click on add new template and fill the details over here and simply click on submit. Now we have broadcast section. We use broadcast to share information with the large audience. Just click on add broadcast and fill the details over here like username, number, and simply click on add broadcast. Now we have AI assistant. We use AI Assistant in Pabbly Chatflow by integrating AI tools like ChatGPT to understand user message, generate smart replies, and automate dynamic conversation within the chatbot workflow. Now we have an option settings and get help. Now simply click on flows. Now we have a flow builder page. In this we have total flows, active flows, inactive flows. Now we are going to create our new chat flow. So simply click on add flow. Now we have an interface like this. First of all, we will rename our chatbot, that is WhatsApp chatbot for your Saved Eyes stand business. Now we have two options, message and action. With the help of both of them, we are going to create our WhatsApp chatbot. Now we enter regex. For regex, we use the format. These format help us to trigger the chatbot. When user types anything, then our chatbot will be triggered. We can also trigger our chatbot with the help of keywords and template. Now we take text button and write a welcome message on it. Hey there, welcome to Pabbly. Craving some saved ice? We have got cool flavors for hot days. Would you like to? Now we also add buttons. Today's flavors, place order. Now we simply connect the flow. Now we take another text button and write a message on it. Here's our today's flavors. When user click today's flavor button, then we will send over this message. In this message we also add some media. Simply click on media and simply upload the media which I already downloaded. And enter the strawberry and also add order now button. Now we take another media box and simply upload the media. In this we also add caption mango and add order now button. Now we take a question box. In this box we ask a name from user. Awesome. What's your name? Now you will see I am using asterisk sign. Asterisk sign is used to bold the text. Now we select the contact custom field, full name, also select the format that is text format and simply connect this order now button to this question box and this place order button to this question box. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this contact custom field, simply click on settings and click on contact custom field. I have already created some contact custom field like full name, address, email, demo, time, order, date and time. Now if you also want to create contact custom field, simply click on add more field and type here I am typing XYZ and simply click on save. After clicking save, you will see we are successfully creating contact custom field. Now we have an option field description. Enter a description. This will help you to identify the purpose. Now go back to our chat flow section. Now we take another question box. In this box, we ask a flavor name from user. Hi, $full name. What flavor would you like to pre-order? You can type the flavor name and you will see I am using $sign. Why we use $sign? When user enter their name, the $sign replace their name with full name. Now we select the contact custom field, order and also select the format that is text format. Now simply connect this question box to this box. Now we take another question box. In this box, we ask a quantity from user. How many cup of flavor would you like? And select the contact custom field quantity and select the format that is text format. Now simply connect this question box to this box. Now we take another question box. In this box, we ask a date and time from user and select the contact custom field, date and time. Also select the format that is text format. Simply connect this question box to this box. Now we take text button. In this message box, we write our last message. Order summary, name, flavor, quantity. Now simply connect this question box to this message box and save the flow. If you want to increase your chat flow according to your need, you can easily do. So we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chat Flow. Now it's time to test it. Simply go back to our WhatsApp dashboard and type ice flavor. After typing, you will see I am getting the response. So we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chat Flow. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chat Flow. Now if you have any question, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related issue, you can visit our website which is given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chat Flow and start building your own WhatsApp chatbot for free. Thank you.